back to my channel. So today is going to be a tour of my bedroom. Yeah, I decided to do this because I got me a new rug. I put new sheets on my bed. I decorated my bed, so I was like, I might as well start and record the video. I had to put on clothes for this, so y'all know I love you because I was at home chilling, but I was not planning on being in the video. But you know, I have so many mirrors in my room, I didn't have a choice. But let's get into the video. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn your notification bell on. All right, so right now I'm standing at my door, and I'm going to just pan around. All right, so that's my door. That's when you enter into my room. And on this wall, I just have two pictures that I got from Burlington. They were on clearance for $12 a piece. And then I have that chair I got from Wayfair. My rug, I just got my rug last week I ordered it from Kohl's. And shout out to Tiearra, she's in my group. If you are not in my group, the name is Black Women Who Love Interior Design on Facebook. Go ahead and join. The chair I got from Wayfair. This pillow, I just got this pillow from Ross, of course, my favorite store. And then I have this ottoman that I got from Ross, and just for the look, I put that blush colored throw that I got from Home Goods in there. And then over there in the corner, I just have a floral arrangement that I had in my living room, but now I have fall stuff in there. So, and then I just have a candle that I got from Ross, a candle holder from Ross, and then that candle, the cotton candy candle, I got from Target. I have a trash can over there. And now this is my, hi y'all, this is my nightstand that's on the side of my bed. All right, my nightstand is from Hayneedle. The tray is from Ross. The candle is from Ross. The flowers are from Ross. Those are my perfume scents that I like. That's Pink Sugar and Watermelon Lemonade from Bath & Body Works. And then this is just my jewelry box. I just have my jewelry and things in there. And then the lamp I got from Ross. I switched out the lampshade. It had a round lampshade on there, but it didn't work with the room, with the space. It would stick out, so I just changed the lampshade, and I got the lamp from Ross. So that's how that side looks. All right, let me turn back to my bed. All right, so that's my bed. That's how it looks completely. I hope the lighting is okay, you guys. It's getting dark here, but I wanted to get it out the way. So my bedding is from Home Goods. The comforter is from Home Goods. That little, what do you call that? This is actually a fur table runner, but I just used it at the foot of my bed like that. I got that from Ross on clearance. Basically, all of these pillows are from Ross, except for the pillow that says Amore. That's from Home Goods. The pillow next to the Amore pillow is from Burlington. The gold pillows are from Ross. The ones on the end are from Ross. The sequin pillow is a pillow cover case that I got from Hobby Lobby. The two fur pillows are from Ross. These two white pillows on the end are from Burlington, and those decorative print ones are from TJ Maxx. My headboard is from Wayfair, and those are my curtains. The curtains are from TJ Maxx. I love those curtains. I really love those curtains. They're from TJ Maxx, and I got them for $20 the pair, and I think they're 96 inches. And I went back on there to go get some for my for my living room, and they had jacked up the price. So I think I got them on the fluke, so whatever. All right, on this side, I just have the same thing, that mirror and the lamp, and the nightstand from Hayneedle. I changed out the knobs on this because the knobs were horrible that they had in there. So I changed out the knobs on those. And then I just have the same setup minus my perfume. That picture was gifted to me by a coworker. And then over here I just have 4 mirrored frames. I actually just put those pictures in there, and you guys, I'm gonna give you a secret. So these pictures that are in here are gift bags. I didn't do anything but cut the gift bags and put them into the picture frame. I had the picture frame with the original picture in there for forever, so I figured it was time to get rid of that. All right, and then those are just the same curtains. The curtain rods are from the curtain rods are from Burlington. Y'all gonna see cords. Judge your mama. I live in this house. Cords don't bother me. They bother you. Seek therapy. Anyways, so right here, let me come over here. Right here, I just have my little setup. I have those flowers on each end. The containers that they were in are from TJ Maxx. The flowers are from At Home. I got those 2 years ago during the clearance sale. Those 3 candle holders are from Ross. The console table is from Ross. And then over here along this wall, those are just my closets. Okay, along this wall, I have this Coco Made Me Do It picture. I got that from Burlington. And then I just have this floor length mirror that I got from Ross. Okay, so let me give you guys an overview. We're gonna start with the door. That's my door. That's my room, you guys. Really simple, straight to the point. I like it. I have the wallflower from Bath & Body Works. It's the white gardenia. If you have not smelled that, you really need to get it. It smells so good. I'll use their candles also, but I just didn't want to burn those just yet. And if you have not seen my video where I went to Bath & Body Works to get those, I'll link it in the iCard. So that's my room, you guys. I hope that you like it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know the colors of your room, how your room looks. I'm interested. I love anything home decor, as you guys can tell. If you have questions, if there was something that I did not mention, leave a comment down below and I will respond back to you and let you know where I got a certain item from. I think that's it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a good night. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because there will be more. Okay, Christmas is coming up and your girl loves Christmas. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.